Hi everyone!
And welcome back to the Root Time channel.
In this video, we'll be talking about the mild types of acne, which are pustules and papules. Well, personally for me, before I came to Korea, I had some breakouts around my chin area. But since I moved to this country, the changes in environment and in general diet has been a good impact on my skin. So although it is not in a very perfect condition at this moment, there have been some significant improvements.
Personally, it's the complete opposite. So until I came to Korea, I didn't really have any specific issues. And then I realized my chest was just like flaring up with, I didn't really know what it was. And I would just pretty much apply any product on it because I was so scared and freaked out about what was happening on my chest. And so once I started learning a little bit more about skincare, I realized those were papules. So eventually the bumps ended up going away, but I still didn't know what it was until I finally started studying skincare.
Right, and this video will be dedicated to papules and pustules. You might have heard about them, but they can be a bit confusing at first. Compared to cystic and nodular acne, papules and pustules are a bit milder forms of acne. However, they can evolve into some serious conditions. That's why it is important to know how to treat them at the very beginning.
But before we begin, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the Root Time channel, and don't forget to hit the bell to be notified whenever we post, which is once a week. And now, let's get to know papules and pustules and how to treat them effectively.
We did talk about this in our acne type video. We'll be leaving a link right up here, but as a quick reminder, here's how you can recognize papules and pustules. Unlike whiteheads or blackheads, papules do not have a visible center and their pores are not usually widened. Papules appear when whiteheads or blackheads irritate the surrounding skin and become inflamed.
Pustules, on the other hand, are larger and have a defined center. They also have pus inside them, hence their name. They are typically recognized by being much larger and much more inflamed than whiteheads. And now, let's get into how to treat papules and pustules.
You might hear a lot about antibiotics or hormone balancing medications when it comes to treating the inflammatory acne. However, these treatments do have side effects, so we recommend visiting your dermatologist to see more customized solutions. Regarding what we can do at home, there are topical treatments and gestures that can truly make a difference.
In terms of topical treatment, we do recommend over-the-counter options that have the star ingredients for acne that we have talked a lot in our previous videos in their formulas. You would have products with benzoyl peroxide that will help you fight bacteria and products with salicylic acid that would help you get rid of excess debris.
And following this golden rule, here are the routines for oily and dry skin types. For me, I have quite an oily skin, so I do really like to refresh my skin after a long day. So mostly, as a very first step of my skincare routine, we would start with the CeraVe Acne Foaming Cream Cleanser, which has 4% of benzoyl peroxide and hyaluronic acid. It does also have a bit of a niacinamide, which can help with acne scars.
I'm team dry. I feel like my ideal routine would start with the Klairs Rich Moist Foaming Cleanser. It also has hyaluronic acid, but it also has a touch of aloe vera to help me keep my skin moisturized.
As for the toner, I would go with the ETUDE House Wonder Pore Freshner. It has peppermint vinegar, which is helpful to cleanse the pores. It is also fragrance-free, which is a win for me.
As for me and for my fellow dry skin types, my go-to toner would be the COSRX HA/BHA Clarifying Treatment Toner. It has lots of hydrating ingredients, which is great for my dry skin, and it also is a great chemical exfoliant, but it also helps me reduce the scars on the sides of my face.
And the next step for oily skin type is the PURITO Centella Unscented Serum. It is like a bouquet of all the great things for your skin. It has 49% of Centella asiatica extract, ceramides, peptides, and even niacinamide.
Well, I'm not even gonna lie, I actually have the same step for my dry skin. I love that we can both use this serum because it's so moisturizing. However, to go into the moisturizing step, I stick with Purito and I would apply their Centella Unscented Recovery Cream. It is super lightweight and it helps me absorb all this hydration and keep my skin moisturized without being too heavy.
And the next step for oily skin type is the COSRX Oil-Free Ultra-Moisturizing Lotion. It is oil-free, so it's highly recommended for people with the sensitive and oily skin type. It is slightly lighter cream that is great for soothing and moisturizing. Another great thing about this product is it's vegan and cruelty-free, and it's great for people with acne.
Woo! So as you can see, there are so many different products out there that have great ingredients to help you with your acne.
But while building your own skincare routine, it is important to choose the ingredients that work for your skin type. And for your morning routines, do not forget your sunscreen.
Other elements you may add to your routine are tea tree oils or vitamin creams. Tea tree oils are well known for their antiseptic properties and also their ability to calm the skin. However, we recommend you to use tea tree oil only when diluted in another carrier oil rather than using it by itself. And we also always recommend doing a patch test before using a new product. As for vitamin creams, they are great at helping treat inflammatory acne lesions.
It is also important to calm and treat the inflammation happening under the skin. For that, antioxidants are key. They will help you keep the free radicals and external aggressors away from your skin. Now, let's see what at-home gestures you can do to keep your skin calm and balanced.
Our first tip is washing the active area twice a day using cool water. You can use a gentle cleanser and your clean hands or a cotton round.
Second tip is applying warm compressors on the active area for 10 to 15 minutes. This will help to attract the debris to the surface of your skin.
The third tip would be to limit physical exfoliation. If your acne is active, we recommend exfoliating at a much lower frequency and very gently.
And the last but not the least, do not leave your skin too dry. Apply your mist or toner right after your cleansing routine.
There you have it, guys. Papules and pustules are mild acne, but they do deserve our undivided attention. And as we always say, patience is key to healing. Korean beauty has so much to offer in terms of ingredients and product that there is an infinite pool from which you can choose. We do hope this little guide helped you identify your acne and how to treat it at home.
If you like this video, don't forget to give us a like, subscribe to our channel and turn on the notifications. We will see you next week. Bye!